Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Garmin Forerunner 265. To begin, press and hold the top left button for about 2 seconds to power on your watch. Navigate through menus using the up and down buttons on the left and select options with the top right button. The bottom right button acts as a back or lap function, while the bottom left button provides quick access to music controls. This intuitive 5-button system makes navigating your device straightforward. To start an activity, press the top right button from the watch face, then select your desired activity such as run. Wait for the GPS signal to acquire, indicated by a green ring, typically within 30 seconds. During your workout, you can customize up to 4 data screens to show metrics like pace, distance, and heart rate. After completing your activity, press the top right button again, then select Save to review your performance data, including total distance and average pace. Connecting your Forerunner 265 to the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone unlocks many smart features. Simply open the app, go to Devices, and follow the on-screen instructions to pair. Once connected, you'll receive notifications for calls, texts, and app alerts directly on your wrist, ensuring you stay informed without needing to check your phone. You can also conveniently control music playback, skipping tracks, or adjusting volume right from your watch during a workout. Your Forerunner 265 continuously monitors vital health metrics, including your heart rate 24 hours a day and detailed sleep patterns each night. Access these insights through the watch's widgets or the Garmin Connect app. Personalize your device by choosing from hundreds of watch faces and customizing data fields to display your preferred information. Regularly check for software updates via Garmin Express or the Connect app to ensure you have the latest features and performance enhancements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.